Hope screen is visible for everyone. So this one you need to simplify. Do simplification. What's the answer now? Solve this question. What's the answer? Simplify it. Using calculator, don't try, okay, because you need to use that braces and all in a perfect way. So calculations to do multiplication, division like that, calculator, but this you need to work on. Here, what is this? A square minus AB, the format of this question, if you observe, A square minus AB plus B square divided by A cube plus B cube. This is 1 by A plus B, you know. Okay, answer is 1. A cube plus B cube is nothing but A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Here A plus B value is 1, right? A is 0.647, B is 0.353. Then obviously A plus B will give 1. You just try A plus B here, it will give 1 only. Okay, so option A we have to do. So the next question, what's the answer we have to get? See this next question, my dear friends. This expression also, if you want to mention in calculator, it's a bit tricky. You have to work on it. What's the answer? We have many questions from, okay, simplification, you see. This all, studs also we kept in simplification. Only see this many questions they give. Simplification, more questions are there. Right, so let's see about this question now. Use pen and paper, no other thought. So 16 by 625, 25 by 4 minus 13 by 5 into 1 by 65 divide by 4 by 10 minus 1 by 5. First is all that internal terms. This is 25 times, 4 ones 4 times. This is 13 5 times. We got 1 by 25 there. 4 by 25 minus 1 by 25 is nothing but 3 by 25 for us. Right. So, okay, numerator 3 by 25. Denominator, this can be taken as 2 by 10. Okay. 4 by 10 minus 2 by 10, we will get 2 by 10 only. This is 5 times, 5 2 times. This and this cancel. It's 3 by 5. So this internal term totally we got 3 by 5, but you need to do square for that. So finally we came to know it's simple like 3 by 5 whole square multiplied by 5 by 7 plus 1 by 7. 3 by 5 whole square is 9 by 25. 1 5 will cancel. It's like 9 by 35 plus 1 by 7. 9 by 35 plus 1 by 7. Okay, this is moving wherever I am going. Fine, anyhow, what's the answer here? Yeah, what's this simplification will give the answer here? What's the answer we have to get? 35 is LCM, okay. This is 9 plus 5, 40. So 7 2 times, 7 5 times. 2 by 5 is the answer. Let's check it out this. Option D, very good. Simplification, you can find questions related to simplification for sure. We'll do couple of questions in simplification, then we'll go for the other concept. Simplification important for foundation round. Okay, this is how you can go. See the next question here. We're discussing couple of questions related to simplification. That's it. Now see this next question. What's your answer? Then two questions after this search related, one or two questions. Then we'll move for the other. What's the answer here? Typing this in calculator is not at all an easy task. Half means multiplication. We have to always apply that both mass rule. When two things are there, first, okay, brackets, inside brackets, division, multiplication, addition. O stands for power, order. O is order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, same priority. Division, multiplication, same priority. Brackets, powers. Inside that powers is the first powers to become done. Here, if you see, this is 2 plus 3 plus, this is 8 plus 3, 11 by 2. Reverse will be 2 by 11. 8 plus 3, 11 by 2. Reverse will be 2 by 11. Right? Now, half 7 by 11. This should be multiplied with 7 by 11 actually. Now, this is 11. 3 times 33. 33 plus 2, 35. We'll get 35 by 11 by 35. As it is 1 upon, we'll get 11 by 35 finally. Fine. So 11 by 35 into 7 by 11. This 11 cancel. This is 7 5 times. Plus 1 half is nothing but 3 by 2. 2 half is 11 by 5. So 3 by 2 plus 11 by 5. Entire divided by, this is bracket. Entire divided by, this is 35 plus 2, 37 by 5. Okay, here we got 2 plus 1 by 5 already. This is 15 plus 22, 37 by 10. This is 37 by 5. So 37, 37 cancel. This is 5 ones, 5 twos, 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 will be 7 by 10. It's 2 7 by 10 in mixed fraction, we can say. We have to get in mixed fraction 2 7 by 10. 2 plus half is 2 half. 2 plus 1 by 3 is 2 1 by 3. Simple. Okay, see the simplification, right? It seems very easy at one glance, but while doing an exam is what important. So make sure, okay, that rules you need to follow properly. Inside brackets, then division. right? So here inside brackets we evaluated, then among this operation we go for division. Sir, calculate allowed, I'll do it in calculator. It's not that much easy of what you are thinking. It's not that much easy. Okay, you need to work more. Fine. Let's see about the other question. Above one, then below one. Above one, you see, half means multiplication we already mentioned. So 2 by 7, 28 by 11. Half means multiplication 121 by 14. Then this is 3 by 7. Half means 8 by 9. Here 3 by 5 into 15 by 8. Half means multiplication 80 by 9 minus 7 by 3 into 15 by 49. A lot of people ignore this doing practice. You will definitely get trouble in the exam. So make sure you practice now. Calculations look simple, but you will struggle as even though calculator allowed, it's not that much easy to perform all these calculations in exam. Here, if you cancel all the terms, here I got this as 44 by 7, okay, minus 8 by 21. Numerator is 44 by 7 minus 8 by 21. Denominator 10 minus 86 by 21, it seems. Right. So anyhow, 21 will come into LCM, that will cancel. Here 44 3 times 132. 132 minus 8 is 124 divided by, this is 210 minus 86. From 210, if 86 is removed, if 80 removed 130, 60 removed means it's 124. Cancel. Surprisingly, you got answer 1. Guys, answer is 1 for this question. This question task for you. Those who are watching, you can take the screenshot. Next question is for your task. This question you try. Fifth question given for practice. So this is related to simplification. Guys, in this question, whatever we solved, any doubt, please. Simplification, 2 questions you can expect in foundation round. You can expect in foundation round. Right. So remaining, okay, all these are similar fashion, but surds related, okay, we need to address powers and exponents related. That also we kept in simplification only. Powers are exponents related. Here, 5 power x multiplied by 3 power y equal to 225 into 405. Then find the value of x power 2y minus 3. This is all in foundation round. So what we can do? This 225 can be written as 15 square. 15 square means 3 square into 5 square. 405 as 81 into 5. 81 is 3 power 4 into 5. This is 405. This is 225. Now combined, we got 5 power 3 into 3 power 6. So we got x value 3, y value 6. From this discussion, we came to know x value is 3, y value is 6. Now your job is to find x power 2y minus y power 3x. So 3 power 3 power 2 into 6, 12 minus 3 into 3. It will be 3 power 3, which is 27. Guys, this is powers exponent. Surds also we have below. Excellent option A. What about next question here? 128 is 2 power 7. Okay. How can you write that expression as 0.1 We have 7 decimals, right? So 128 into 10 power minus 7. 128 is nothing but 2 power 7. 128 is 2 power 7. So 2 power 7 into 10 power minus 7 whole power 1 by 7 will give 2 into 10 power minus 1. Means 2 by 10, 0.2. Which will give 2 by 10, which is 0.2. So this 0.2. See the next question. With these two, okay, Surds also will stop. Okay, these two questions. Now this is Surds and indices. Powers are exponents related. Let's solve this one. I'll give time. Previous question option A. Your friend mentioned. No, it's option C actually. When you work on this option C, this also will do mistake. That power 128 into 10 power minus 7 or 10 power minus 6. How you will write that term? You may do some mistakes. So guys, take care. Now what about this next question? Everyone try this. I'll wait for your answer. Done? Yeah, few people answering option C, 4. Okay, option C and 4, both fine. Same only. Right, so let's see. What is this P value first of all? 729. 729 is, we can say 9 cube or 3 power 6 also. Here, this expression is 729 whole power 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Means 3 power 6. This is 1 upon. Okay, they want P power 20. So you don't worry much regarding that. So this is 1 upon 6 into 4. 3 power 1 by 4 is what? P. P is actually, okay, 3 power 1 by 4. P power 20 will be 3 power 5, which is 243. 3 power 5, 243. Right? Okay, we got 4. 243 divided by 162. Fine. So 81 2 times, 81 3 times. 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will get exactly good. So now, as per the question, we need to calculate P power 20 divided by 162 plus 5 by 2, right? So P power 20, 243, first division, okay, then only addition will come to picture. This is 81 3 times, 81 2 times. 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will give 4. If we do all these calculations, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will give 4. That's it. Yes, option A is correct. Option C, not A. 4 is the answer. Check it out once. Simplification. Okay, this I put in simplification only. Right. After this, next question, remaining all square root, cube root you can do. That's all you can understand. Okay, once you are done with this question. Let's see this one now. Square root of 21 plus 8 root 5. One moment. As data is huge in the document. Okay. It's not responding totally. Now what you can do here? First of all, square root of 21 plus 8 root 5. Then that expression is divided by root 2. That's a secondary. And square root of 7 minus 3 root 5. You should do rationalization. When it is in denominator, you have to do rationalization actually. Fine. So means multiply this with square root of 7 plus 3 root 5. Okay, divide with square root of 7 plus 3 root 5. That's fine. But before that, you see, whenever square root is there, your mind should think about a plus b whole square. It should come into picture. Like a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this inside term should be square, some whole square should create. That's what your agenda. If we do square root, that's one square root will cancel. This one, this will cancel. So you need to design this 21 plus 8 root 5 in such a way that it should generate some square. So 21 plus 8 root 5. I want 2ab. So this 8, put 2, send that remaining 4 inside, means 16 into 5. 4 will go inside, means it will become 16. Why you are sending remaining, sir? I want 2ab format. Okay. Then root 80 should be splitted in such a way that, okay, this is 16 plus 5, right? 16 plus 5 is 21. 16 into 5 is 80. Now you see that important point. We can write this 21 as 16, like 16 plus 5. Here this is 2 root 16 into root 5. Now see, it's like a plus b whole square will get. How, sir? 16 is root 16 whole square, a square. 5 as root 5 whole square, b square. This is 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab format, you need to bring it. Now this can be written as root 16 plus root 5 whole square, means that entire term is now root 16 plus root 5, which is 4 plus root 5 we can call. This entire term is simplified as 4 plus root 5. You have to still divide by root 2, I agree. Okay, there is one more term to divide that by root 2. This entire expression, whatever comes, that should be divided by root 2. First of all, are you understanding this part? This part. Only this part. We have rationalization also to be performed. We'll do that as well. First, are you clear with this? 4 plus root 5, how you got?
Yes.
Fine, thank you. Next, this should be divided by root 2. 4 plus root 5 should be divided by root 2. When 4 divided by root 2, fine. Or else you can do rationalization again, multiplying by root 2, dividing by root 2. Okay. Then it will be like 4 root 2 plus root 10 divided by 2 will come. When you multiply by root 2 and divide by root 2, denominator become root 2 into root 2, 2. I'm multiplying by root 2 and dividing by root 2. Okay, that's it. This is all about the numerator part. And still we need to perform that rationalization. We are not done with that also. What is rationalization for this? We have root 7 minus 3 root 5. We should do rationalization with that. Means denominator is root 7 minus 3 root 5. Okay, here root 7 plus 3 root 5 will come. Numerator, see this lengthy procedure. We have 4 root 2, divide by 2 already there, that it be anyhow, no problem. Root 10 This should be multiplied by square root of 7 plus 3 root 5. Okay. Denominator will be, when you do the square root, so 7 root 7 whole square. A, okay, this is like A minus B, A plus B. No, that format also not possible. Is it 7 plus 3 root 5? Square root of 7 minus 3 root 5. Fine. So square root of 7 minus 3 root 5. Now see that also before rationalization, I have to bring it to A plus B format. This is already square root. That also need to be simplified. Big, lengthy process this is now. But first, if you have an idea, then you can crack this question. Okay, this cannot be asked in foundation round. This is a chance to ask in advanced round only. One moment. Okay, before doing this rationalization, we need to simplify that square root of 7 minus 3 root 5 also. It takes time, it seems. What you can do, multiply by 2, divide by 2 here. You need 2ab, right? Multiply by 2, divide by 2. Multiply by 2, divide by 2, you perform. So how to do the denominator? Denominator, okay, square root of 7 minus 3 root 5. We want this format here. This is fixed. A square plus b square plus 2ab should be bring it from that. What are the way you do? Okay, you have to bring that expression from that. Fine, it seems now. Now your job is simplifying that square root of 7 minus 3 root 5, right? So what you can do, you multiply this second term with the 2 and divide with the 2. The 2 is important. Let us divide with 2. No problem. Multiply by 2, divide by 2. Send the 3 inside. Means that is 45 will come. Okay. Now put 1, 2 inside, 1, 2 outside. That will be 45 by 4. 45 by 4. Okay, this is 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab format this is. See, similarly like this, they'll change the value. Now we are working on one question, right? Here they see, they change the value. Concepts will be a bit similar. Values will be changed. Be alert. Concepts will be similar. They may change values, so be alert for that. Now here, if you observe all this, my dear friends, now I have to write this 4 by 5, 4 by 45 by 4 in terms of 7. Adding those two, 7 should come. 9 by 2 into 5 by 2, 14 by 2, yes. Yeah, now see, I can write this as 9 by 2, 5 by 2, inside 2 root 9 by 2, 5 by 2. See what level they went for. I can write this as root 9 by 2 minus root 5 by 2, you know. Root 9 by 2 minus root 5 by 2, I can bring it from this. How, sir? This is a square, b square, root 9 by 2 whole square. We can write this expression in simple like square root of root 9 by 2 whole square, a square. Here b square minus 2ab minus 2ab. It is taking time for you, I too agree, but first understand the method. If method is there in your mind, then time taken to solve the question is not this much. Maybe this is the first time we are seeing this type of model. Okay, we may take time, no issues. But next question onwards, you can speed up. That's not a big deal, right? So square root of 9 by 2 minus square root of 5 by 2. Okay, that's denominator. And here we have that divided by root 2 expression, right? That root 2, instead of doing this rationalization also, that will clearly will get advantage here. No need of rationalization as well. Here numerator is 4 plus root 5 divided by root 2, whereas denominator is root 9 by root 2 minus root 5 by root 2, means I can take root 9 minus root 5 divided by root 2 will come. This root 2 cancel. It's like 4 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5. Now you have to do rationalization. Denominator, you please see that. You got root 9 by 2 minus root 5 by root 2. So I can put it like root 9 minus root 5 divided by root 2. This root 2 and root 2 in numerator will cancel. Root 9 can be written as root 3, right? So this is what? Okay, denominator is this. Numerator we have. Dividing we got. Now, still your answer is not completed. We have to do rationalization. 4 plus root 5 divided by 3 minus root 5. When you do rationalization with this, multiply with 3 plus root 5 divide with 3 minus 3 plus root 5. Multiply with 3 plus root 5 divide with 3 minus root 5. Denominator 9 minus 5, 4. 3 square minus a square minus b square, right? This is 3 plus root 5. A square minus b square, we got 9 minus 5, 4. Numerator 4 into 3, 12. Root 5 into root 5, 5. 4 root 5, 3 root 5. We got 7 root 5. It's 17 plus 7 root 5. If you want to put it separately, 17 by 4 plus 7 by 4 root 5. Still our question is not completed. Okay, because this all should be put it here. I came to know x value 17 by 4. See, these guys are not at all satisfied, right? Still they're asking square root of 2x minus y here. You got, after all this hard work, x value 17 by 4. They put this as x plus y root 5. And they're asking now square root of 2x minus y. After all this hard work, we got x and y, but still we're not satisfied with that. You need to calculate square root of 2x minus y. That x value is 17 by 4, y value 7 by 4, right? 7 by 4. 34 minus 7 will give 27. So square root of 27 divided by square root of 4 is 3 root 3 divided by 2. Is that option available or not after all this hard work? 3 root 3 divided by 2 you have. Guys, serious. So this is taking time. I too agree. This is the first question. Next question, similar one, I'll display now. We'll work on it. We'll see how much time taken. You may take 2 minutes. Advanced round questions, 2 minutes is allowed. But this is first time where we have to think, okay, numerator at least, square root of, there is some 2 involved. 8 means 2 you can keep, 4 you can send inside. Here in numerator at least, we have 8. Okay, I can keep 2 and send 4. But denominator 2 is not there. We are keeping 2 and dividing with 2. And the 2 sending inside. Okay, you should know first, we have to remove the square root. We have to come out of that square root. Okay, then, okay, dividing by root 2 and all. Again, you got x and y, then working on it. Definitely taking time, I too agree. Okay, there is no second thought, right? So this is the procedure. No shortcut here. This is the only way we can come out of that. This one you can practice. You can take the screenshot and practice here. Everyone, those who are in the session, please take the screenshot. This one you do now. So remaining taking time, right? Okay, previous question. This is for your practice, above one. Now do this question here. Above one, I think you can write this as 2 power 10. This is 6 power 4. All those magic you people can do and work on it. Right? That's not a big deal. If you are not getting the answer, post it in the group. Okay, now Telegram group or Kaisala or WhatsApp, what are the group you have, respected groups, I'll respond. That's not a problem. Right, see this next one. Now you have the target already. 12 root 2. Yes, sir, please. Somebody unmuted. Fine. Now you have the target. This should be 2 into something. Right? So, sir, please, what's the issue? I turn off all the mics. Now, send this, keep 2 6 inside. That one step ahead you have to always think. So 2 here, 6 inside means that is 36 into 2, 72 will come. 72 can be written as 9 plus 9 into 8, 9 plus 8. That you have to think. Now this is 9 square plus, okay, like square root of 9 whole square, square root of 8 whole square. This is 9 into 8. So it will come as root 9 plus root 8 means 3 plus 2 root 2. That speed you will get when you do the process more and more. Whereas here, sir, 2 is not at all there outside. You bring that to 72. From 72, take 14 in 4 into 18, right? If 4 come outside, it will become 2. 2 plus root 18. Now we have to think smart. 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Here 9 plus 2. It will come outside as root 9 plus root 2. Here it will come outside as root 9 plus root 8. It is root 9 plus root 2. This is 3 plus root 2. Now you are left with rationalization part. See, you can speed up. As I'm explaining, it is taking time. When you people are working directly, it's not that much time will take. Now you have to do rationalization. What's that? Okay, you have to multiply with 3 minus root 2, right? So we got 3 plus 2 root 2 already in numerator. Denominator 3 plus root 2 will 3 minus root 2, 3 minus root 2. 9 square minus 4 will get minus 2 will get 7. Numerator 3 into 3 9. 2 root 2 into root 2 will give 4, that is minus 4. 6 root 2 minus 3 root 2. 6 root 2 minus 3 root 2 means 3 root 2 will come. Wait, is it not cancelled? We didn't get cancelled. Okay. We got it like 5 by 7 plus 3 by 7 root 2. You got A value 5 by 7 here, B value 3 by 7, but still they didn't stop their discussion. They keep going with A plus 3B. Your job is to calculate A plus 3B. So 5 by 7, 9 by 7, I hope you got 2 finally. A plus 3B. Guys, is that clear? Any doubt from your end, please? Put it in chat, I'll enable you. Excellent question this is, but how fast you are going to do? This type of question we can expect in advanced round only. TCS is not for everyone going to crack. Means yes, they can crack, but you need to understand the question clearly. Sir, how you written this? That's all you need to think, dear. Root 11 plus root 72. You need to think about it. I can write this as root 72 as okay, root 4 into 18. Why you have to do 4 into 18, sir? I want 2 outside. So when I write 4 into something, the 2 will come out. This all you need to think one step ahead. Excellent, excellent next level question. This is work on it. Right. Now this question, dear. This question, please. It's basic rationalization related. Let me see how many of you can answer this question. This all are kept in simplification. I consider this all as simplification. I'll give time for this question. I'll wait for your answer. Yeah, one of your friend given the answer as 95. Right. So if we calculate x, you have to do rationalization. This is only example related to rationalization. Okay, when you do rationalization, denominator is root, okay, 11 minus 9, 2 will come. Numerator, okay, it's like root of a plus b whole square, right? So that's what the problem here. What is numerator is 11 plus 9 plus 2 root or 6 root 11. Or is it entire square root of, we don't know. As per this question, I think it's square root 11 minus this. Right, we got this as 6 root 11. It will be 10 plus 3 root 11. Now, many of the students will stop solving this question after finding this x value. Fine, okay, but you try, start doing, okay, whether the question is not yet ended, okay. It seems this is what we got so far, right? Next, what do you want to do? X minus 8. X minus 8 will be 2 plus 3 root 11. X minus 12 is minus 2 plus, right? So here 3 root 11 plus 2, x minus 2 is 3 root 11 minus 2 will come. Many, okay, including me, also stop doing the question when you got x like this. We may expect integer. Sir, all options are in integer. We want integer. But here if you solve, okay, this is a into a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 9 into 11. Oh, this is 3 square 9, root 11 whole square is 11, minus 2 square will come. 99 minus 4, 95. So guys, don't stop doing the question. Keep going. Okay, somewhere clue may be there. Why worrying before itself? Right? Guys, I hope you learned something in this session. Now we'll go for one more question. If that is the case, solve this one. Solve this one, please. Last question for today. So today we focused on simplification topic more on. Everyone do this question. Last question this session. Work on this. Calculator allowed. I too agree. Calculator allowed. Virtual calculator. What is the answer? See, if you work on that properly, 41.3449 is 6.43 whole square, if I'm not wrong. 10.36 is 2 into 5.18. Okay, 5.18 is 2.59 double. Somehow all are related. If you check exactly, somehow all are related. So 33.3074 is also 5.18 whole square, if I'm not wrong. I hope everybody see the screen, right? Screen is visible for everyone. No, it's not 33. I think this is not correct. This is not correct statement from my end. You can check as calculator, you can check using this is not correct. 6.43 also let me check once. .43 square. Calculator allowed. You use virtual calculator, not your okay engineering calculator. That will be easy because brackets and all is the issue. Yes, this is 6.43 whole square. Fine. So what I just want to convey here is it's like a square plus ab plus b square divided by a cube minus b cube. Divide by a cube minus b cube will give a minus b. A minus b. Here, what is A, what is B, you need to decide. A is 6.43, there is no thought. 6.43. B is 5.18. This is A into B, this is A square. This is AB, this is B square. Denominator, this is okay, I said already, for 41.3449 is 6.43 whole square, that will become A cube. This is 2.59, okay, but here this is 5.18 into 2. The 2 given here, this 2 become 5.18 whole square. Here 5.18 is there, so this is altogether b cube. So we got a minus b, 6.43 minus 5.18, which is 1. That to the 1.25. They are asking exactly in which bit lies between what. Guys, is it option B? Option D. Check this one. A square plus AB plus B square divided by A cube minus B cube. Denominator not given in proper order. You need to arrange it. Right? So any doubts, please. So guys, sorry, this is 1 upon A minus B. Okay, correction. 1 upon A minus B. So when it is 1 upon A minus B, you will get 1 divided by 1.25. Then it lies between, yeah, thanks for that correction. 1 upon 1.25 will be 0.8. Thanks for the correction, option B correct. That's what expecting from everyone. Okay, thanks. Yeah. 1 upon A minus B. Agreed. Option B is correct. Thank you all.